we'll guide you through how to set up Namecheap Dynamic DNS. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Namecheap's website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Domain List section from the left-hand menu. Find the domain you want to set up with Dynamic DNS and click on the Manage button next to it. Now, go to the Advanced DNS tab at the top. Here, you'll see an option for Dynamic DNS near the bottom of the page. You need to toggle the Dynamic DNS switch to the ON position. When it's enabled, you'll see an update URL and a host record you can use. Now, you need to configure your router or device to update Namecheap with your current IP address. Log into your router's admin panel. The location and wording of these settings can vary, but you're looking for the Dynamic DNS or DDNS settings. In the DDNS settings, you'll choose Namecheap as your service provider. Enter your domain, the host record, and the password from the Dynamic DNS settings page on Namecheap. Apply the settings and make sure your router confirms the connection is successful. This will ensure that your domain always points to your current IP address, even if it changes. If your router doesn't support DDNS, you can use a third-party client on your computer to update your IP address. Remember, keeping your IP updated is crucial for remote access and other online services. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.